Hello, how you doing? Look, we're going to make these chicken wings today. They are so good. Sesame oil, few spices, very simple but tasty. Welcome back to How to Cook Great. Okay, half a cup of cornstarch or corn flour. If you wanted, you could use potato starch if you fancied that. Spices, let's have a look. A teaspoon each: salt, pepper, chili powder, ginger powder, and here is star anise powder. If you want, you could use 5-spice powder, which is really nice. Chicken wings I've got there. Skin on, bone in wings, 500 grams, which is about a pound. And I've cut the tip off, so it's just the bottom part of the wing. Simply mixing bowl, mix it together. So larger mixing bowl, in goes the cornstarch or corn flour. And then let's just take another look, shall we? Look, a teaspoon each: salt, pepper, star anise, ginger, chili, all in. You can see I've got a glove on because I'm going to go in there and give that a good mix. Then we're going to get over to the cooker. So you're going to need a wok or a skillet or something like that. In there I've got 4 tablespoons of oil. I'm using corn oil. You could use sunflower, canola, something like that, up to you. What we're going to do is take our wings and we're going to drop them in. By the way, the heat's on above medium. I've just put that on. So we're going to pop these in and then we're going to fry them around for around 6 minutes. I'll be flipping them over a few times. Very simple. All right, Simon here, just a few little notes. Okay, first of all, there's over 4,000 videos on our channel. We've been cooking for years, so get onto that little magnifying glass. You can search out. There's tons and tons of recipes. We're cooking pretty much every day. Thumbs up always helps me out. A little comment of anything. Tell me what you've had for breakfast even, that's fine. Just a comment helps the algorithm go. If you'd like to donate to me and help the channel out, there's a little thanks button in most countries. You can leave $2 or $1 million if you want. Okay, let's get back to cooking. Okay, off goes the heat. What we're going to do now is get rid of all of the oil. To drain the oil off, retain the wings in the pan. So taking the oil out, I mean, I'm not taking every single bit out. There's a little bit of oil in there. But, you know, reduced it down 90% or so. What we're going to do is add a tablespoon of garlic. If you wanted, add ginger. Half a cup white onion. And we're on a high heat again. We're going to throw this around for 2 more minutes. Fabulous. Just a couple of tablespoons of a light soy. In that goes. And again, just 2 more minutes. Throwing this around on a high heat. Really fabulous. Right, off goes the heat. In goes some green onions, about half a cup or so. Sesame seeds, 2 or 3 tablespoons. And then sesame oil, a nice little dash or 2 or 3. You want that kind of pure sesame oil, beautiful, lovely, nutty flavour. And that's it, job done. Let's get that on a plate. And they are absolutely delicious. Hope you enjoyed that. Keep safe, keep well. I'll see you soon. Lots of love. Thank you so much for stopping by and making it to the end of the videos. If you would like to donate to me, there's a thanks button in most countries. You can give me $2 or up to $50. I need to buy a new Ferrari. Come on, help me out.